Unipaws Large Dog Crate Furniture, a stylish hideaway. Introducing the Unipaws Large Dog Crate Furniture, a stylish and functional solution for your large breed dog. Crafted with durable pressed wood and metal mesh, this crate is perfect for medium and large dogs. Not just a crate, it doubles as elegant furniture, serving as a side table, end table, or nightstand. The wide top surface can hold up to 200 pounds, ideal for plants, magazines, or family photos. Inside, a dense, heavyweight cushion ensures your dog's comfort, making it a cozy resting spot. A removable plastic tray at the bottom collects dirt, pee, and hair, keeping the crate clean effortlessly. Designed for ventilation, it offers a full view, allowing your dog to see you and feel at ease. Perfect for trained dogs, this crate is a stylish addition to any home, blending seamlessly with your decor. Choose Unipaws for a multifunctional, elegant, and comfortable space for your beloved pet. If you're ready to get yours today, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure you smash that like button.